It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make our own apple pie Play-Doh. This is an easy, no-cook Play-Doh recipe that you can make at home with just a few ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. We make ours red for apples and add cinnamon to make it smell extra delicious. You can also make green Play-Doh for green apples, and you can make tan Play-Doh for the dough. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need for apple pie Play-Doh include flour, salt, cream of tartar, vegetable oil, red food coloring, and cinnamon, as well as water. Let's create. To begin, whisk together 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar, and 1 tablespoon or so of cinnamon. Then make a well or an indentation in the center of that flour mixture and add 2 tablespoons of oil and add some red food coloring. If you want your apple pie Play-Doh to be pink, you can add just a few drops of red food coloring. If you want it to be more vibrantly colored, then add more. Now this next step is an adult task, so ask a grown-up to help you. You will pour in 2 cups of boiling hot water and then mix it together quickly. Now let the dough sit for a few minutes to firm up and cool down. And then you can dump the dough onto a counter or work surface and knead it to form a ball. If you need to add a little bit more flour, you can do so at this point. If you like, you can also add glitter to your Play-Doh. You can knead in glitter and just work it through the Play-Doh. We made this apple pie Play-Doh in red. We also made some apple pie Play-Doh in green and some in tan, and you can make additional batches of Play-Doh in different colors just using different colored food coloring. Now to play and create with your apple pie Play-Doh, you can roll it out with a rolling pin and use cookie cutters or a butter knife to cut it into shapes. You can roll a ball in between your hands to make an apple and add a stem and a leaf. You can use a small pie plate or other baking dish or pretend play dishes to make apple pies or muffins or cookies or anything you like. If you want to use poke-ins with your apple pie Play-Doh, you can use pipe cleaners. For example, if you want to use a pipe cleaner for the stem of your apple, you can do that. You can use beads or buttons to poke into the apple pie Play-Doh to decorate cookies or make designs in anything. I hope you enjoyed your apple pie Play-Doh.
It's time to